I've been seeing this viral sweet potato cottage cheese ground beef high protein bowl all over social media. All right, let's make this viral cottage cheese bowl. We're going to be using ground beef, honey, cilantro, cottage cheese, an avocado, and a sweet potato. While I'm cutting the sweet potato and avocado, I already have the ground beef cooking on the stove. I season the ground beef with just a little garlic powder and onion powder, along with a packet of taco seasoning and a little water. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, and they're packed with antioxidants and is a good source of fiber. Avocados are considered a superfood. They're a good source of healthy fats, fiber, vitamin C, E, and K, and also potassium and magnesium. Cottage cheese is a good source of protein and calcium, and it's low in carbs. As you can see here, I've cut up the sweet potato, avocado, and we have a cup of cottage cheese. And here's the ground beef cooking on the stove. Season it to your liking, but be sure to add taco seasoning and just a little water. Here I have the sweet potatoes in the air fryer. I did not show it in the video, but I did season them with smoked paprika and black pepper. I set it at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. All right, y'all, let's try this out, okay? Let's see if it's worth all the hype. I have my ground beef right here, my cottage cheese, sweet potatoes, and avocado. I drizzled some cilantro sauce on it, and I also drizzled some honey, which is totally optional. Let's try it. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything to kind of taste it together. It looks good. I'm gonna try a little bit of all of it on the same spoon. This is good. I don't know who came up with this idea, but thank you. This is good. I'm not gonna eat all of it. I'm gonna eat about half of it today because I'm trying to watch my calories and eat the other half tomorrow. This is good. Thank you for staying till the end, and please continue to watch my channel for more healthy habits. Have a great day.